Hi everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted source for honest and detailed product breakdowns. Today, we're reviewing the best body lotion when it comes to shea and cocoa butter hydration. Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Tahitian Vanilla Body Lotion. This daily moisturizing lotion isn't just another lotion on the shelf. It's a full-on hydration experience. With a rich blend of shea butter, vitamin E, and sweet almond oil, Palmer's brings you a formula designed to lock in moisture and deeply nourish dry skin for up to 48 hours. That's not just marketing talk, it's skincare science at work. Let's talk texture. It's creamy without being greasy, thick but spreads effortlessly. The moment you apply it, your skin feels instantly softer, like it's being wrapped in a moisture-rich blanket. And if you're someone who constantly battles flaky or ashy skin, this lotion could easily become your go-to. Now about that scent. This lotion features a comforting Tahitian vanilla fragrance with a hint of caramelized sugar. It's subtly sweet, warm, and not overpowering, making it suitable for both day and nighttime use. If you're not into bold perfumes but still want to smell pleasant and feel pampered, this hits the perfect balance. Palmer's stands by natural, raw ingredients. Shea butter is known for its rich emollient properties, while vitamin E supports skin repair and protection. The company also emphasizes sustainable sourcing, particularly for their cocoa and shea butters, which adds a feel-good factor to your purchase. Plus, it's vegan-friendly and not tested on animals. What really sets this apart is Palmer's long-standing reputation. With over 180 years in the skincare industry, they've built their brand on formulas that are not only effective but also affordable. For just a few dollars, you're getting a lotion that competes with luxury-level moisturizers. It's perfect for all-day hydration, whether you're just out of the shower, heading to work, or winding down for the night. It absorbs quickly, doesn't leave a sticky residue, and keeps your skin supple through the day. You can grab the 13.5 ounces bottle on Amazon for a great price, often discounted from its original list price. It also ships to India and several international locations, which is a big win for global customers. For the hydration, the clean ingredients, the indulgent scent, and the brand's legacy, this lotion checks all the boxes. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. If you've tried this lotion or have a body care favorite you'd like us to review next. Until next time, stay hydrated and keep glowing.